Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix error code 524 on Roblox. You do not have permission to join this experience. So first up, go to your Roblox account and then you will try to make some changes on your profile. So once you're on your Roblox, click on the settings right there at the top right hand corner of your screen. So click on this settings. And from here, under your settings, you want to click on this privacy. And from here, you just need to scroll down until you see other settings right here at the bottom. Now here, make sure all of the settings here are set to everyone. For example, here, who can make me a member of their private server? Make sure that you can set this from no one to everyone. And you just need to enter a pin if you have to unlock this one. And then on the second one, who can join me in experiences? So you can set this also to everyone and also who can see my inventory and set this to everyone. So make sure all of the settings are set to everyone. And once done, you should be able to join the experience. But if you can't still join, contact the server owner to manually add you to the server. So that's it. That's how you basically fix error code 524 on Roblox. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.